Information literacy. Is this a skill we need to teach? Meet Sally. She is an information literate person. What does information literacy mean? Well, it is a set of abilities requiring individuals to recognize when information is needed and to have the ability to locate, evaluate, and use the needed information effectively. As a person who has developed the skill of being information literate, Sally is able to successfully and confidently perform the following steps. She is able to identify, find, evaluate, apply, and acknowledge. She is prepared to find the data needed for any decision or task in life. Everyone has achieved a certain level of information literacy already. This starts when we are very young. But we all have room for improvement. Like other skills, it needs to be learned in practice to get better. The world today is more than just books, but instead has the internet and beyond. The amount of information we encounter can be cumbersome and ever growing. But not all information is created equal and may not be credible. Most of us can remember a time where we received information which may not have been the best information for our situation. Information comes from a variety of sources: the internet, magazines, newspapers, multimedia, graphics, community resources, and even our neighbors. How do we sift through all of that information? The internet seems to be one of the most common ways of retrieving information these days, and one of the more difficult ones to navigate for authenticity, validity, and reliable information. Finding valid and reliable information can become a problem when you're looking at information that may be an unreliable source, a hoax website, fake news, misinterpreted information, inaccurate statistics, or even stuff with missing data. Just because it's on the internet does not mean it's true. Why is it important for Sally to become literate in information? Well, it's important so she can recognize that not all information is created equal. The information literacy cycle can help Sally and the rest of us recognize the difference between good information and bad information, as well as to evaluate situations from several different perspectives. And who will benefit from information literacy? Well, everyone. Regardless of the discipline, information literacy forms the basis for lifelong learning. And like you, information literacy will help Sally through her life. It'll help her with personal matters, it'll help her at work, and it'll also help her during school. This process of attaining knowledge can also be thought of as learning how to learn.